Hello users, in this video I will teach you 3 things: how to report a story, how to block a user, and how to unblock a user. To report a story, go to your profile page and scroll down to the story that you want to report to Shabd. Now click on the 3 dots and scroll down at the bottom until you see report story. Click on it, select yes and select OK. And that's all. Now if you again visit these 3 dots, you will see that story has been reported. Now we will take care of the story and the person who has posted it. The second thing is how to block a user. To block a user, go to the user's profile page and you will see this shield icon. Now click on this icon and select yes. And this blocks the user. Now you cannot view their profile, neither can they view your profile. Now let's go to your settings page. Scroll down at the bottom and you will see a list of all the users whom you have blocked. To unblock them, you just have to simply click on the unblock button. And that's all. Now if you try to search for the user, you can access their profile. Thank you.